Okay, here are the puppies. They're almost 6 weeks old. They're hopping around. There's Bentley playing with his little toy. And there's little Lance. And Riley's in the corner there. He wants to go back in. There's the little girl. And there's Copper. Hi, Copper. Copper. That is Bentley and little Lance. There's little Riley. It's a little slippery.